Hey guys, everybody, how's it going? Cheers everybody. I'm gonna enjoy this first piece and then we're gonna talk about some stuff, yeah? It's always good. It's always fucking good. Right guys, I've got an important question to ask you, all of you. But before we do so, it's February. I know it's 5th today, but I don't think I've uploaded a video this month yet. So let's go and see my girlfriend. Oh yeah, I know you've been waiting for that. Let's have a look. Right, so that's my girlfriend, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Makani. I introduced her to you, well, 1st of January actually, and I said every month we're gonna unveil a new picture and have a look what's hiding behind the next one. So it's February, let's do that. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for this. I'm waiting for this myself. Right, February, what we got here? You don't disappoint now, do you, baby? Nice, so you're gonna be looking at me with those blue eyes of yours for the whole month. Well, all 28 days of it, whatever it is. Nice. Guys, I need a moment here alone with me, please, yeah? Only joking. Only joking. Right. My candy's on the wall. Let's go down to business. Right, so there's been a lot of major changes going behind the scenes, but we're nearly there. We're nearly straight line right now from that point on, so we're going to focus on more work in the garage. Next step is a major step with the Virago coming back to the screens. I know many of you has been waiting for it, and I promise you that's happening very soon. It's fucking freezing cold today, so I don't even bother warming up this place because it's not gonna work. I'm gonna wait a couple more days until the weather is better, but on top of that we got a few other projects coming along. And that is exactly the reason I'm making this video. It's basically a big question, well, two-part kind of question about this channel and the future of it and what I do over here. What would you like to see and enjoy the most from this channel, apart from drinking beer and my lovely girlfriend on the wall? Cheers very much, thank you. Apart from these issues, what kind of videos do you enjoy the most? What kind of videos would you like to see more? We all know what we do here. I do crazy shit. I do mostly motorbikes. I build my own bike, as one or the other one, doesn't matter, and I paint. I pinstripe, I airbrush. Let's put this side as painting, custom painting, and motorcycles. So what kind of videos you enjoy the most? Majority of you, I know you divided, but majority of you, more bike videos or more painting videos? If it's more painting videos, is it pinstriping, airbrushing, or like general custom art kind of thing? Or if it's bike videos, if it's the custom build of Virago or any other bits and bobs that I can lay my fingers on. So that's the first part of the question, guys. Drop me a comment below. You can drop me an email or any other kind of message. I'll read it all, I promise you. But I think a comment below so everybody else can see this. What kind of videos would you like to see in this channel more? Motorcycle videos or painting videos? Tell me what to do and I'll definitely go this direction, because guys, you make this channel. You are my viewers, you making this channel grow and work. So I want to accommodate for all tastes, but what kind of videos you want to see the most? That obviously, your vote is not I'm gonna go one way or the other way. I'm not gonna do just paint or just motorcycles, but maybe I can focus slightly bit more, 60% on one subject. You tell me what that subject is. I will count all the votes underneath from the comments on this video, and yeah, I'll take suggestions, I'll take notes. And the other part of this question is to make it a little bit more interesting than it is right now. It's the length of the videos. I can see statistics, you know, what's the average time, you know, view from my videos and all that shit. But what do you find interesting on a video? If you see a video that was half an hour long, would you go for it, or you just not bother because it's too long? If the video is 5 to 10 minutes long, is that the kind of time frame you wanna watch? Or are you happy to watch something that is 15 to 20 minutes long? I don't know, sometimes it's difficult to keep the videos short, but I'm aware producing 28 minutes, half an hour, 45 minutes videos, nobody gonna have time in our busy lifestyles, you know, to go and enjoy or sit down your ass, do nothing for 40-45 minutes. I don't think that's the way to go. I think keeping them shorter, but you tell me. 5, 10, 15 minutes? What kind of videos you watch on YouTube? What kind of videos, what length of videos you would want me to produce? Let me know, and I will definitely try to work around that schedule. It's not always easy to keep these videos exactly, exactly to be under 10 minutes. Sometimes the information I need to give you, there's no way in hell I can produce it in under 10-15 minutes. But then I can do 2 parts of that video, as I often did. As a half an hour long, subject, I can divide it in 2 parts, and then you can come back to it, the first part or the second part. But let me know, majority of you, what kind of videos, how long the videos would you like it to be, what interests you the most, and what would you like to avoid. Simple as that. Ah, it's fucking good. I like Guinness. Just to recap, finalize the thing, guys. Comment below, please. What kind of videos would you like to see? More bikes or more paint? And how long would you like them to be? 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes? You tell me. Comment below. Tell me what you expect from the future of the channel. We're growing. I'll do my best to keep you guys entertaining. And we'll see what happens. Right, guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a beer. It can be a Guinness if you want to. Rock hard, and I'll see you very soon. Oh yeah!